Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the home mentoring session of marketing. Myself, C.S.K. Khanna from the SD Vidya School, Ambala, Kent. Dear students, today we will continue our previous unit of segmentation, targeting, and positioning. One aspect of this unit, that is segmentation, we had covered, and I hope you all had learned that topic. Today we will understand what targeting is, what are the different strategies to be followed for targeting, and most important thing, when you have to select a target, automatically what factors you have to consider in your mind. So let's start first of all with the meaning of the targeting. Targeting here means when the segment has been recognized, when the segment has been decided, then the second step comes that how that particular segment be served. Served means that the marketer wants to achieve all its important objectives which were relating to very important thing, that is the maximization of sales. So how best he is going to serve that particular segment, he has to frame different strategies for that. See here, gone are the days of 1960s when mass marketing provided scale economies for many markets. Please understand that prior to the economic reforms of 1991, there was the producer-oriented or the seller's market. After the liberalization, globalization and privatization, there is complete change in the market scenario. Now it is the buyer's market rather than the seller's market. In order to gain major share in the market, the marketers has to serve in a very technical and in a strategic way. So after the creation of the segment, the next steps come for the targeting, means how to best serve that particular segment, which means the needs, requirements of that particular segment, how they should be fully satisfied as per their needs. The targeting stage of segmentation is concerned with what? It is concerned with making choices about the segments to serve. We can't be everything to every segment. Basically, the seller cannot provide everything to the every segment because there may be the shortage of the resources. Resources are limited and the marketers has to use those resources in a most rational or optimal way. So he should select that segment and the strategy how best with the limited resources can serve to that particular segment. The targeting process is concerned with balancing the attractiveness of segment opportunities against the available resources and the capabilities. Every organization had their different resources. Every organization had their own capabilities, which means its strengths. Every organization had their weaknesses. Considering to these elements, he should make such type of the strategies by which he served to that particular segment in the most significant way. The segments chosen through targeting are referred to as a target markets or target segments. The search for the best prospects among all consumers is called target marketing. What we mean by the target marketing? The search for the best prospects among all consumers is called the target market. How the organization, how the marketer is going to serve in the best way to all the consumers of that particular segment, that is associated with the target marketing. Now come across what the different types of the targeting. There are a variety of the options available with the organization, and the organization may follow different type of the targeting. First, it is mass marketing strategy. Mass marketing strategy is also known as the undifferentiated marketing. What we mean by the mass marketing strategy? In a simple way, you understand, when the needs of the customers when the needs of the buyers, they are not significant having difference on any grounds, the seller, the marketer follow the common marketing strategy without making much differences to the product, to the services which are offered. A common pattern is to be followed, a common strategy is to be developed, that is known as the mass marketing strategy. When differences in customer needs are small or demographic are not distinguished, a business may decide to use a mass market strategy or undifferentiated marketing. A firm may produce only one product or product line and promote it to all customers with a single marketing mix. Marketers do what? They follow the common marketing strategy for all these segments when the needs are having a very small differences on account of demographic or on the taste or on account of the preferences. So the firm ignores any segment differences and design a single product and marketing program that will appeal to the largest number of consumers. Very good examples are given for Coca-Cola, for Caterpillar, for Sony, for Marlboro, Philips, Toyota, McDonald's, Volvo, Kodak. These are some of the concerned organizations at the global level, and they are following the mass marketing strategy. There may be the other strategy, that is the large segment strategy. When a market is segmented and marketing resources are limited, the marketers may decide to pursue a large segment strategy. A mass market may be segmented, say, into 3 core segments. One of the segment which is large enough and representing 50% or more of the market would be the center of focus. Under large segment strategy, what the organization, what the marketers they are doing, practically understand that in that particular segment, they try to distinguish and divide that which particular individual sector has the major requirement. For example, in a segment, 70% of the requirement is common and remaining 30 is divided into, say, 2-3 segments. So the objective or goal of the marketer would be to serve the large segment, because large segments may fetch the more returns, more profits, and it is also very essential that they should consider majorly to the large segment, because the total return may be fetched from only that segment. So it is different from the mass marketing, where a common strategy is followed for all the segments, while in case of the large segment strategy, a large segment is selected out of the different segments components, and that to be served in a better way. I would continue in my next video relating to the other strategy for the targeting or market targeting.